Good morning students. Today we will discuss Theorem 6.4, Theorem 6.5 and Theorem 6.6. So see children, Theorem 6.4 and Theorem 6.5 we have to accept without proof. So its heading only I will explain to you. So see children, Theorem 6.4. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Its meaning is, if transversal intersect two parallel lines, then sum of measures of co-interior angle is always 180 degree. Its meaning is, if transversal intersect two parallel lines, then co-interior angle are always supplementary. So our theorem 6.4 is, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Now theorem 6.5. Theorem 6.5 is converse or reverse of the theorem 6.4. So see children, if transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Its meaning is, if transversal intersect two parallel lines such that sum of measures of co-interior angle is 180 degree, then given two lines are parallel to each other. Its meaning is, if transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then two lines are parallel to each other. Now we will discuss theorem 6.6 with proof. So see children, here in a theorem 6.6, lines parallel to the same lines, means here two lines are given to us and it is parallel to same line, that we have to check. So see children, here we have to check if two lines are parallel to the same line, will they parallel to each other? Means here what we have to check? Here we have to check if two lines are parallel to the same line, will they all parallel to each other? This I can explain with the help of the one diagram. So see children, here draw a line T is the transversal for the lines L, M and N. Here we have to draw one line T and it is the transversal of line L, line M and line N. So see children, this is the transversal line T, this is the line L, this is the line M and this is the line N. And see children, draw a line T is a transversal for lines L, M and N. And it is given that, what given to us here? Line M parallel to line L. Means M and L are parallel to each other. Second, what given to us? Line N parallel to L. Means N is also parallel to L. What given to us? Line M and L both are parallel to each other. Line N and L both are parallel to each other. And what we have to prove? Line L, M and N all are parallel to each other, or in short M parallel to N, that we have to prove. So see children, here line M parallel to L. This line L and line M both are parallel to each other. It is angle 1, it is angle 2 and it is angle 3. So see children, line L and line M both are parallel to each other. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. M parallel N, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Same way, line N and line L both are parallel to each other. It is also given to us. So line N and line L both are parallel to each other. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Again I am explaining. See children, M and L both are parallel to each other. So 1 and 2 angle both are equal. Line N and line L both are parallel to each other. So angle 3 and angle 1 both are equal. So see children, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. See, angle 1 is equal to 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Means ultimately angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal. So from 1 and 2 we can write angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3. But see children, angle 2 and angle 3 both are pair of corresponding angle. Means angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles and they are equal. See, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. They are corresponding angle and they are equal. So angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angle and they are equal. So line M parallel to line N. Here see children, angle 2 and angle 3 both are corresponding angle and they are equal. So line M and line N are parallel to each other. Why line M and line N are parallel to each other? We know the theorem. Which theorem? If transversal intersect two lines in such a way that pair of corresponding angles are equal in measurement, then given two lines are parallel to each other. Again I am saying, when transversal intersect two lines and pair of corresponding angles are equal, then both lines are parallel to each other. So see children, here angle 2 and angle 3 both are corresponding angles and they are equal in measurement. So M and N both are parallel to each other. So angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angle and they are equal. So line M and line N both are parallel to each other. And we can write theorem 6.6. What is our theorem 6.6? Lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. What is theorem 6.6? Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So see children, this is the normal explanation of theorem 6.4, theorem 6.5 and last theorem 6.6. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.